Hi everybody, welcome to our episode today. Welcome to iContent, where we help you increase your influence, impact and reach using online content and digital marketing. Today we are talking about 5 tips that will help you have a great digital marketing strategy for you and your business or even your company that you're working for. And let's get into it. Number 1 is branding and presence. The first way to start your digital marketing strategy is to have presence on those online platforms. For example, you need to have a Facebook account, you need to have a Facebook page, you need to have an Instagram account, Twitter account, LinkedIn profile. You need to have presence on the digital marketing platforms. The other thing, you need to brand yourself well. Remember, you are a business, and social media platforms and digital marketing platforms are more of a business presence. They represent who you are, they represent the product you're offering, they represent the value you're offering. And so having your social media platforms and having your digital marketing platforms well branded represents who you are, and it will create trust to the people who come and view them. So the first step or the first tip to have a great digital marketing strategy is to have an online presence, whether it's social media, whether it's YouTube or Instagram, in any way in which you can be able to have a presence online. Make sure that you have a presence. And secondly, make sure you are well branded. Your logo, your colors, everything about you should be well presented, and that way is the first step of having a great digital marketing strategy. Number 2 is your kind of content. And so remember, in digital marketing strategy we have a rule that content is king. Without content, there is nothing that you're offering people. Your content needs to be valuable and helpful to the people whom you want them to buy from you or get attention from. And so content is amazing, and there are different ways in which you can create content. You can create picture content, video content, written articles like blogs and newsletters. And so there are so many ways you can create content, but then it's important for your content to be valuable. Your content should be able to give value to the people whom you want to reach. For example, if I'm a photographer and I want to reach other photographers, my content should be so valuable to the photographers that it will be increasing their value. If my content is to wedding brides or to brides and bridegrooms, then my content should be in such a way that it helps brides and bridegrooms in their wedding planning or in them choosing a wedding photographer, for example. So your content should be valuable and should increase value to the one who is viewing, and that's how you increase value to them, and that's how you get following and you get attention from the people that you're offering value to. So make sure that your content is high quality. It is better for you to have fewer content but high quality content than to have many content that are low quality. So quality is better than quantity when you are creating your content. And so make sure that you think about your content, because content is king. Number 3 is consistency. Now you want to be reliable. You want to be a person who is looked upon for a solution, and one way to that is being consistent. So being consistent can be the kind of content that you're offering. If you are about photography, then your content should be consistent about photography. Do not put in anything about cooking there, or about traveling, or about swimming or something. Let your content be consistency in terms of the theme. Your theme is photography, so let your content be consistency in photography. The other way to look at consistency is how frequent you upload. For example, if you decide you want to upload weekly or monthly or once a month, make sure that you're consistent in releasing videos or content every week or monthly as you had promised. Because if then your content is valuable, then you want it to be reliable in terms of whenever your clients or your audience want content, then it is available. If they put in your minds that you are releasing content every week and then you do not release the content, then they will deem you unreliable and maybe not professional. And so make sure that if you decide you are going to release videos weekly, make sure every week there is a video for your audience, because they have trusted you and they want you to be reliable and consistent in how you release. Also be consistent in the theme. If it is photography, let it be photography. If it is a cooking channel, let it be a cooking channel. And so consistency is a great way for you to increase your digital marketing strategy or to improve it, because consistency makes you reliable. Number 4 is engagement. Now remember, people are on social media to interact with you. People want to buy goods and services from the people they trust and the people they have a connection with. And one way to increase the bond with your customer or with your audience is by engagement. It means by replying to their comments. It means by asking them questions. What do you think about this product? What do you think about this service? So what should be improved about our product or service? And so it's important for you to make sure that you are engaging with your audience on these platforms, and that's where you increase your digital marketing strategy. Make sure that people feel that you care about them, people feel that you think about them, that you care about the service you're offering to them. Now make sure that they feel it's about them, not about you, and that's the secret of engagement. Number 5 are paid advertisement. Now there are two ways to get an audience or to get a following on digital platforms like social media. Is using organic methods to gain followers organically. So that is done by just uploading content and engaging and making sure that you're consistent, and that way people will follow you automatically. But then there is a time that comes that you want a boost, where you want people to follow you faster, or you want people to get your content more faster, and that's where you use paid advertisement. Now paid advertisement is amazing when you know how to use it, because it boosts your engagement, it boosts your reach. For example, you can run different kinds of ads. You can run ads to get leads and sales, you can run ads to get more awareness, you can run ads for more engagement. And so paid advertisement is one of the ways to improve your digital marketing strategy, and this way you can use to improve your reach to the people you reach, to the people who listen to your content. Now the one advantage of paid advertisement, especially on social media, is that it is so affordable. Now as low as $5, $10, you can be able to reach a huge amount of people who are targeted, a specific amount of people you want to reach, using as low as $5. And so paid advertisement is so important for a digital marketing strategy, because it will boost your engagement, it will boost your reach, it will boost your influence, even as you try to reach more people using this digital marketing strategy. And so make sure that you get conversant with paid advertisement. You can hire a person to do it for you, you can learn it and you do it yourself, but then make sure that you get all into paid advertisement, whether it's Facebook ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, YouTube ads. You can think about anything according to your goals and objectives. Choose the best platform you want to run ads in and start running your ads immediately. For a bonus, it's important for you to understand something about digital marketing strategy. Now, you do not want to be like a salesperson who comes onto your door and knock and sells you, hey, we have this product, we are selling for this particular price, but then since you have come to you, we can slash the price for you and do so and so things. Now, you do not want to feel like a salesperson. People do not want to interact with a salesperson because a salesperson is annoying. So when you're creating content for digital marketing strategy, make sure you do not sell. Do not push the customer or the audience to buy from you, because they will leave you, they will run away from you. Let them buy from you because they feel that you offer valuable content and can offer even more if they pay you. So make sure that your content is more of trying to lure them to come to you, other than pushing a product to them or a service to them. So thank you for listening to us. I hope that this video has been of help to you. It will help you increase your digital marketing strategy, those 5 tips. And until next time, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to follow us on social media. To join our Facebook group, make sure that you click on the subscribe button below and on the bell icon to get notifications every time we release a new video. And make sure that you comment on the comment section, give us ideas on things you need to learn about digital marketing and online content and online marketing, and so that you can improve even your business with the online marketing. And as we finish, make sure that you increase your impact, influence and reach with online content and digital marketing.